moving. It's moving. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna have to pick it up. Lord. Let me see if I can get you over to some water. Oh, you guys. This poor little thing. Okay. All right. So don't get scared. Oh, look at it. Oh, it's moving. Okay. I had a turtle when I was a kid, so I could pretty much handle it. Let's see. Okay, I got it. Now, let's take it over. Okay, I gotta take it over to the water. Hello, little turtle. Look at the little head. Look at there. Ooh. So let's go. So this little guy, or gal, I don't know. Let me take it over to the water. Hello, look at that little face. Look at that little face. Okay. You're so cute. Look at there. Don't mind my baby talking. I'm gonna put it over into the I was checking out the after effects of the storm, and I knew that I was gonna catch something, but I definitely wasn't expecting catching you. The trees and everything are just like all inside of the road. I'm gonna show you guys the trees and stuff. Look at this little fella. So cute. Come on, let me take you over to your habitat where your people are. Yeah, so when you are riding your cars and different things like that after the storm, just be mindful that there are animals that are out there, like this little one here. So I saw a bird and it passed on, but I'm so glad that you didn't get harmed. And we are almost there to the water. It's pretty much could have been a whole lot worse, I would have to say. It's got to be careful in this kind of water because, you know, snakes and different things may be having a little bit of fun. But hey, this is what the storm done. So many trees. This is like an entire tree that was broken down, and I still have this little fella here. We're almost to the water. We are almost there. Almost there. Oh, see, you know this area, right? Home. So I think we're gonna have to take the other way around. Yeah, there's a lot going on right now. Oh, see, you're familiar, huh? Aw, the water is like really high. I feel that this is the safest place. So let's see. I'm gonna get you in there. Are you gonna crawl?